In today's video, I trade the binary destroyer on the TradingView mobile app. Now, the reason why I did this is because I get asked a lot of questions from beginners, and one of those is, can you trade while working a day job? And the simple answer is yes, you can. The markets are open 24/7 from Sunday up until Friday if you live in the UK. But there's 3 different sessions. You've got London, New York, and Asian. So it doesn't matter where you are in this world or what you do for a day job, there is always time to trade, whether that's in the morning, whether that's at night, or whether that's in the afternoon, whenever. There's always a time to trade. There's no excuses. So what I do in today's video is I trade the binary destroyer off my mobile while out and about, in fact, in a service station on the motorway, just to show you that it is very much possible. You don't need multiple screens. You don't need an office. All you need is a mobile, a laptop if you want one as well, even a tablet. I mean, the binary destroyer is going to work on a tablet as well. And that is it. Just a bit of knowledge. And it doesn't matter where you are, at work, on a boat, on an aeroplane, if it has Wi-Fi, you can make money from the market. So enjoy today's video. Okay, so the first trade you're going to see is a buy on GPUSD. Now, it's not the best setup I've ever took, but it won anyway. Now, you see me on here loading up MT4. I'm just about to take a buy with 1 lot. The trading account that I'm trading with is my EA account. So it's a £25,000 account that my EA is trading. Now, what you'll see me now is, obviously, I've got a Mogwai signal on the 1 minute time frame. I now go to the 1 hour time frame to find some kind of support and resistance level. So you can see on my charts now, I've identified the 1 hour support level. You can see I'm just about to draw a little rectangle, just confirming that. But basically, we've got a Mogwai signal on the 1 minute time frame. We've now got a 1 hour support zone. Now, looking at the overall price action here, this trade is considered against the trend. As you can see, price is creating lower lows and lower highs. So because it's against the trend, I'm going for a nice little one-to-one scalp. As you can see there, now on the 15-minute charts, and you can see that support line on the 15-minute charts as well. That's basically it. I want to buy right at this level. Basically, the more I buy at this level, the better entry point I can get. And also it means I can put my stop loss out of the way. And that's the most important part. I just want to pause it here. And we're going to talk about stop losses, okay? Because a lot of traders, and I see it time and time again, always get stopped out. Our job as traders is to only place a trade unless we 100% have to, okay? And when we do place a trade, we want to win that trade. As traders, we want to win trades because we make money, okay? So we want to get our stop loss out of the way. We don't want to be manipulated. We don't want tight stop losses where we can get stopped out and stopped out and stopped out. What we want to do is we only want to place a trade unless we 100% have to, because again, trading is about making money. It's not necessarily about taking a lot of trades. So the trades that we do take, we have to be 100% certain they're meeting all the rules and they are, we're confident they're going to win. And when we do take a trade, we get our stop loss out of the way. And the reason why I say that is because you'll see in this video now, so you can see here, GPUSD, I'm in a buy, you can see here. You can also see my EA has took a trade on gold. But you'll see now on TradingView, you see how price spiked right through that level, okay? Now, the reason why that happened, I've just paused it again, is because you have to remember, if price is coming down to a support level, going up to resistance level, people aren't going to instantly buy at that level, okay? Remember, what moves price? Buyers and sellers. So as price is coming down into this level, okay? This support level is acting as like a trampoline, because as price comes down into this level, everybody is going to be buying and buying. They're going to be buying at different levels. There's going to be different pending orders. People are putting them at different prices on this level. So as price comes down, it's going to be triggering buy trades, buy, and eventually there's going to be more buyers than there are sellers, and price will come back up. A prime example of that is here, and this is why you don't want tight stop losses. You want to get that stop loss out of the way, okay? Because it allows breathing space. It allows that move like what's just happened here. Price is in a strong downtrend. It's come all the way down, and as it's come down to this support level, it's all started to trigger these buys, because everyone else is seeing that 1 hour support level, and it's triggered all these buy zones, buy trades. And what happens is it comes down to this level. If you have a tight stop loss, you get manipulated, and then price comes back up. So as you can see here, it was a nice little buy. My target on this is the top of the zone, okay? And I got basically just over a 1-to-1 on this trade, which was actually quite good. You know, normally I go for a 1-to-1 against. Why is my oh no, my phone decided it was going to freeze. Ah, there we go there. But you see that rejection wick. So this is the 15-minute charts now. Can you see that massive rejection wick at that level? Okay, now that's normal, right? Price came down to that level, it pushed its price back up, and it's closed above it. It's normal, but if you have a tight stop loss, you're going to get stopped out. Again, going back to the 1 minute time frame, you can see it perfectly. It came down, it's come back up here. And what I actually do here is I close off a percentage of this trade. So what I try and do is manage this off my phone, but because basically I'm on my phone in a service station, I can't manage it. So I close off 0.9 lots of the trade. You'll see here. I'm trying to figure out at the minute how to close off a percentage. So there you go there. I go to trade. Here we go here. Let me just, it will happen. There we go there. So I close off 0.9. There you go there. So I close off that there. I then show you my history so far. So you can see here I've already banked £50 on that trade, £71 because my EA has took some trades. I've still got 0.10 open on the trade, so I've still got 10% left on the trade. What I'm basically doing is waiting for price to hit the top zone, and then I'm going to close off the entire balance. As you can see here, it's around just over a 1-to-1, which is good. Can't argue with the trade, which is great. As you can see here, it's pushing up, but it's kind of rejecting. What you don't see is a few minutes after we actually got a sell trade, but you can see here, I don't know if you can see, I'm just going to pause it. Can you see it looks like a little mini level just there? It's that little mini level just there. So I was slightly worried at this point that, okay, maybe we're going to come back down, because at the minute price is in a downtrend, right? All we're doing, you see that little level just there, it's that little level just here. So I was thinking, okay, are we going to break that level and go higher, or are we going to continue into a downtrend? So what I actually do is I'm actually looking to see what to do. And in the end, I decide that I'm going to close the entire trade off, and that is it. So what you'll see me now do in a minute is I'll close the remainder of that off just there. There you go there. Close the trade. Done. Banked. And we made around a £58 on that trade, which is great. Now you will see me take my second trade of the day. You can see here, price is still pushing up, which is good. But now you see me take my second trade of the day. This is a few hours later. So this is a sell on USD Chef. Same again, I've got a Mogwai signal. I've marked up my level on the 1 hour chart. You'll see it in a minute. So I take a sell on USD Chef. Again, one lot, which is there. So there you go there. Again, this was beautiful. This trade was beautiful. So same again, if we go back to TradingView, you see here, 1 minute time frame, Mogwai signal. If we go to the 1 hour charts now, There's the 1 hour, 15-minute chart. Let's look at that level. You see that little level just there? So basically, price is in a downtrend, price has pulled back. So you can see here, price is in a downtrend and pulled back to this level. Beautiful. I love these setups because these setups are basically with the trend. Okay, lower lows, lower highs. Look how far, or look how quick price drops from this level. Look how quick price drops. Yeah, literally 1-to-1, bang, in and out. No messing about, no drawdown. This was a beautiful setup, but that's the difference. When you take perfect setups that meet the rules, somebody's at my front door, as you can see here. But there you go there. I took 2 setups on my phone today with the binary destroyer on TradingView. Nice little £150 made. But obviously that was a mixture between the 2 manual trades that I took and obviously my EA. But there you go there. That is basically how to trade the binary destroyer on the mobile app while out and about enjoying life. So thank you for watching.